We gotta stand. Go here, Marcus.
Okay.
Stand beside it.
Attempt number 1
Stand there, stand.
at rocket lunch. Lunch. Rocket lunch. Launch. Here we go. Alright.
Yeah.
We're recording. What? Oh. Well, we're okay.
On this side, and when I say, you push that button, okay?
Sweet. Just wait.
Take your hat off.
Here we go. Woo! Here we go. Oh, 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 oh! I'm tripping. Okay. Here we go.
Press hard.
And here we go.
Not working. Unbelievable. All that work and freaking go. Okay.
You ready?
Hold that one. Probably not enough battery power. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay. Because it might blow on you?
Yeah.
There must be a problem.
Yeah.
I'll go get these.
No, 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 Marcus. Pick that up.
Here,
You don't want that to get wet.
Nick, can you hold this one? Can you go get the instructions?
No, Marcus, that's a long way to go, honey.
No, it's not a long way. I know what's there, Mom.
Oh, I thought they were in the house still.
Here, got it.
Okay.
Got it.
A boy that reads instructions. Yeah.
That was a close one.
Yeah.
You're impressed.
Okay. It might be working. Go press it, Marcus. Okay. Attempt number 2.
What? What are you doing wrong?
No problem.
Wait for a bit. No, come here. I don't want you going up there. Ow. What's wrong with this thing? Jesus.
2.
Move to the bottom.
Yep.
Try it again.
What's the matter?
Oh well. First go didn't work.
I really want to sleep up.
Me 3.
Okay, did we get the batteries in?
Me
there?
4. Me 4.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you know what? The batteries might be dead.
How come?
What kind of batteries does it take?
Double A's.
We've got those.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
We do?
Yeah.
Double A.
In the house. We bought some extra ones for the camera, remember? When we was in Vegas.
You try.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't think I can do it. Yeah.
Back to the drawing board.
How about you videotape till we get back to the house, okay? Look at my face.
No.
Look at my face.
I'm not laughing. You're crazy. All right.
Hi, camera. Hi, camera.
Probably need that.
you want me to run back and get you some batteries? What's that? Are you going to try it again? Okay, back up, Marcus. Here we go.
Push it very, very hard.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Where'd it go?
It'll come down.
Hopefully. But that was awesome.
Yeah.
Where did it go?
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
Did you catch it?
Barely. Wasn't quite prepared for that one.
Me either. Okay.
Already.
Maybe it's on its way to the space station.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
I don't know. Yeah, baby.
Stop.
Now that's a rocket.
Stop.
But where did it go?
It's going to be orange. I'm gonna burn it.
Ow. Why? Why did it break?
Honey?
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
That's like a disposable rocket?
Here, just stay here and don't fall down.
It's down.
It's down?
It's gotta be.
Maybe it's...
Parachute.
Really? Did it have the parachute on?
What's that?
Did it have the parachute on?
Yeah.
Down.
Somewhere.
All right.
Yeah.
Well done, boys.
Sure win.
Good job, Marcus.
I'm gonna go look for it.
Marcus, good job. Congratulations. You got the rocket to go really far. Okay, here we go.
Why does it come close to me?
I don't know. We gotta go find it now.
Why?
Well, because we can't find it. Follow Nick.
Okay. Follow me.
I'm following. Now the search begins
I know, camera.
for the rocket.